Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to install mods in Minecraft PE on iPhone and iPad, so let's get started. To get add-ons, open the browser on your device and visit mcpedl.com. From there, open the menu, select add-ons, and scroll to find one you like. Read its details and click the download link. Some add-ons come with two parts, the Behavior Pack and the Resource Pack. Download both if needed. Next, go to your Files app and find the downloaded files in the Downloads folder. Tap on the file and it will open Minecraft automatically to import it. Then launch Minecraft PE, tap Play, and create a new world. In the world settings, find Behavior Packs, activate the add-on, and do the same for Resource Packs. Once everything is activated, you can start playing with your new custom add-ons. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.